Hi. My name is TT. I am not a medical doctor, but I have been interested in and doing research on the causes of disease and illness as well as their remedies and what we can do to alleviate human suffering. Most diseases and illnesses are preventable and curable using natural substances. It's been said that every ailment we face as human beings can be treated with something found in nature, maybe tree barks, leaves, flowers, herbs, roots, tubes or fungi. This guide is merely designed to provide you with the information you may consider to stay healthy. It is recommended that you seek professional advice before relying completely on these suggestions for your specific situation, as conditions may differ from one person to another. Your doctor will know better. If you experience any side effects as a result of following this information, please do not hesitate to consult your physician and to suspend the treatment forthwith. Having said that, today let's look at macular degeneration. Macular degeneration is the leading cause of vision loss, affecting millions of people around the world, much more than cataracts and glaucoma combined. At present, macular degeneration is considered an incurable eye disease. It is caused by the deterioration of the central portion of the retina, the inside back layer of the eye that records the images we see and sends them via the optic nerve from the eye to the brain. The retina's central portion, known as the macula, is responsible for focusing central vision in the eye, and it controls our ability to read, drive, recognize colors and faces, and see objects in clear detail. When it is working properly, the macula collects very clear images at the center of the field of vision and sends them up the optic nerve to the brain, which interprets them as sight. When the cells of the macula deteriorate, images are not received correctly. In early stages, macular degeneration does not affect vision. Later, if the disease progresses, the patient will experience wavy or blurred vision, and, if the condition continues to worsen, central vision may be completely lost. People with very advanced macular degeneration are considered blind for all intents and purposes. There are two basic types of macular degeneration: dry and wet. Approximately 90% of the cases of macular degeneration are the dry, atrophic type, while 10% are the wet, exudative type. Stargardt disease is a form of macular degeneration found in young people, caused by a recessive gene. There are three stages of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Early AMD, most people do not experience vision loss in the early stage of AMD, which is why regular eye exams are important, particularly if you have more than one risk factor. Early AMD is diagnosed by the presence of medium-sized drusen, yellow deposits beneath the retina. Intermediate AMD, at this point, there may be some vision loss, but there still may not be conclusive symptoms. A detailed eye examination with specific tests will look for larger drusen and/or pigment changes in the retina. Late AMD, at this point, vision loss becomes noticeable. Causes of age-related macular degeneration (AMD) are complex, and include both hereditary and environmental. Currently, scientists are working to understand what causes the macula cells to deteriorate, searching for a cure for macular degeneration. They know the causes are not the same for age-related macular degeneration as they are for Stargardt disease, which has a specific genetic cause in most cases, whereas AMD involves both genetic and environmental factors. For an alternative treatment for AMD, it's suggested that you eat as much of the following as possible, provided they do not give you any other side effects: eggs, kale, spinach. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it to be useful and interesting, kindly hit the like and share buttons, and, should you wish to receive further videos, please also hit the subscribe and notifications buttons to enable us to send you more of these videos as they are released.